Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare Benzinga Pro versus Trade Ideas. We'll dive into what makes each platform unique, helping you understand their core functionalities and how they cater to different trading styles. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which tool might best suit your trading needs and strategies. Let's get started with an overview of Benzinga Pro. Benzinga Pro excels in delivering lightning-fast market news and insights. Its real-time newsfeed ensures you're always informed about breaking stories that can impact stock prices. The audio squawk feature offers live commentary, giving you an edge with immediate updates. It's ideal for traders who prioritize quick access to information and market sentiment for their daily decisions. Trade Ideas shines with its sophisticated artificial intelligence and powerful scanning capabilities. Its AI, named Holly, processes vast amounts of data to pinpoint high-probability trading setups. The platform's customizable scanners help you discover opportunities tailored to your specific strategies. It's perfect for traders who rely on data-driven insights and automated analysis to find their next move in the market. Ultimately, your choice depends on your trading approach. If you thrive on real-time news and quick market reactions, Benzinga Pro is likely your best bet. However, if you prefer advanced AI, automated scanning, and data-driven strategy validation, Trade Ideas will serve you better. Both are powerful tools, but they cater to distinct trading philosophies. And speaking of smart choices, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, among other deals, found in the description.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.